As a real estate agent, your business depends on having a healthy list of clientele to boost sales and close more deals. To do that, you need to utilize all of your CRM features to find new ways to build your list of real estate clients. In this video, we'll cover how you can automatically capture new lead information using our landing pages and our lead source options. First, we will navigate to the marketing dropdown and select landing pages. A landing page is a lead capture tool that helps you collect lead information and save them automatically into your Wise Agent CRM. You can choose a template and personalize your landing page according to your preferences. We have several different templates that you can create your landing pages with. You can preview each landing page and decide which one you would like to use. These are fully customizable to you, and you can change any of the information in them. To create a landing page, you'll simply hit the Create option, and then you'll name it. It's always best to name your landing page something specific to what it will be used for. You can add in a description, and then you'll want to create your source. The source is important because when the contact enters their information on the landing page, their contact summary page will be tagged with that source, so you know where you got that contact information. Once you hit create, it will bring you to the landing page editing tool. From here, you can click where you would like to make changes. You can change things like the font, where the font is placed, and the color. And be sure to hit save. Once you are finished, you'll notice it updates in real time. If we click on the information that we are trying to capture, you'll see that you're also able to add more build form items. You can also set if you want these forms to be required or not. You can also change the background of the landing page in the edit section. We have a few images that you can utilize, or you can upload your own image on the tab here. You can also add in sections, and then things like your agent information down below as well. If we navigate to this menu bar, we will see the source we have set, and we can edit that. We have 3 separate response actions that we can have for this page. First response action is a response page that will be displayed after the form is submitted. You can redirect them to a URL like your website, or just have the page refresh so other individuals can also enter their information. Say in this case, if you were using this open house sign-in at your open house. Once you are done with your landing page, you can hit the exit button, and it will save and create your templates below. You can select and deselect which landing pages are active, and it will show you how many you are able to have active in your account at one time here. If a landing page is active, it will give you a short and long URL that you can use to post to social media or email out. We even have a quick share option if your Facebook page is connected with your CRM. We can add in information on these landing pages to see how that information will come over into your account. Once the information is filled out and the individual hits submit, that will be added into your Wise Agent account. If we navigate back to the home dashboard, either by selecting the Wise Agent logo or home from the home dropdown, we can then scroll down to our recent leads, and we'll see the contact we had just entered. John Smith has been added. From his contact summary page, you'll see that all the information we had entered was entered here, and all those questions he had answered were placed under the extra details. Now that we have created our landing page and submitted a test lead, we can now create a lead rule. We navigate to the contacts dropdown and select lead rules. From the lead management page, we can navigate to the plus icon to create this lead rule. We'll want to find our lead source. We are also able to add them to a drip campaign. We can add them to any category, and we can select if we want them added to the call list. We can decide if we want to get notified that the individual has been added to our Wise Agent account. We can set up an email response like a first touch going out to the client. We can also send out an auto text response and add the AI bot. And if you're working in a team environment, you can set up different filters for how these leads are distributed to the team, whether it be by week, zip code, a pricing limitation, or a round robin between team members. Once we are done with that, we can hit save. And once we hit save, it'll save in our lead rules. On the same lead management page, if you scroll down further, you will see the email leads and API key section. These are companies and websites that we are integrated with so that you can connect to and gain your new leads into your Wise Agent account from those websites. If you see a company or website that you have an account with, you can simply click on the name of the company or website and it will give you detailed step-by-step instructions on how you can connect the two accounts. If it's under the email leads section, you'll be taking what is called your email parsing address or your lead email. These are specific to your account. There will be a bunch of numbers and letters followed by @leads.wiseagent.com. Once you have added in this lead email, you'll want to go to that website and enter in a test lead. And make sure that it comes to that recent leads contact section on the main home page. Once it comes in, you'll know that the connection is set up, and then you can create a lead rule for that new lead source. Most of the time, the lead source will be what the website is named. It is the same thing for the API key section. You can find the company or website's name, click on it, follow the instructions on how to activate it, and then it'll just tell you where it wants that API key on your website's account. So you can click on your API key, which will bring you to the section where you can find that information. You can find both your API key and lead email here as well. Be sure to submit a test lead onto these websites and make sure that you see them come into your WiseAgent account so that you can set up that lead rule so it can automate those actions for you. If you use a website or company not listed here, you can always test it out using the email parsing address. All you need from that website is a notification email that a lead has been added, including their information such as first name, last name, email address, and phone number. You will need to take the email parsing address and put it in that notification area on the website. And then you'll need to test it out and see if that connection is able to be made. This lead email address attached to your account is essentially a forwarding address. So if they're not listed here, you can always test it out. And if it doesn't work, you can always reach out to us using the help dropdown or by emailing help@wiseagent.com.